Bună ziua and welcome back to another episode on the I Learn Romanian channel. Today we are going to continue our series about the irregular verbs in Romanian, and we are going to take a closer look at the verb to give. Now, the verb to give in Romanian is a da. A da. It is a very useful verb, but although it is very short, it takes some weird forms, so we are going to cover that together. Now, in the present, we would say eu dau. Eu dau. Tu dai. El dă. Ea dă. Noi dăm. Voi dați. Dumneavoastră dați. Ei dau, ele dau. This is a little bit weird because if we look at it, some of the forms use an a, so dau, other forms move to an like the or dum. So just memorize it as it is. It is a very basic and relevant verb to know in any language. Now, taking a look at the past tense, as I have already explained multiple times before, the past is made of two elements. We have the a word that changes depending on each pronoun, and we are going to have the past participle that stays the same. The past participle of the verb a da in Romanian is dat. Dat. And I'm going to add all the a words, but after that I'm going to fill in with dat. So eu am, tu ai, el a, ea a, noi am, voi ați, and then dumneavoastră ați, ei au, ele au. And by now you should know that that means gave or given. In Romanian, the tenses are not as complex as in English, so whatever is past is past. We don't have three forms for a verb, we only have present and past. So, eu am dat, tu ai dat, el a dat, ea a dat, noi am dat, voi ați dat, dumneavoastră ați dat, ei au dat, ele au dat. I like this verb because it's short and easy to write, but that's just a me thing. So if you want to say, I gave, I was given, I had given, I had been given in English, like all these like crazy forms, in Romanian it's enough to say, eu am dat. Yeah, because for us, the past is just past. It's not multi-layered. We don't have continuous tenses. So you can use this in any context where you are talking about something that happened in the past. It doesn't matter if it was 1 hour ago, 17 years ago, or like back in the dinosaur era. It just works as it is. For the future, as we have been explaining before, we are also going to use two elements. We are going to use the form that changes for each pronoun that corresponds to will in English, and then we are going to use the short infinitive. The short infinitive is just the second part of the infinitive, or the infinitive where you remove the word a that's in front of it. Also, this is a really crazy pen, but I just grabbed whatever I could find. Not the most aesthetically pleasing pen in my collection. Okay, back to what I was explaining. So, eu voi, tu vei, el va, ea va, noi vom, voi veți, dumneavoastră veți, ei vor, ele vor. And now all we need to do is just add da for all of them. So Eu voi da, tu vei da, el va da, ea va da, noi vom da, voi veți da, dumneavoastră veți da, ei vor da, ele vor da. This form of the infinitive also looks like the word da in Romanian, which is yes. It is just a random coincidence. So if you want to say I will give or I will be given, you would say eu voi da. Now let me give you a couple of examples. We have eu dau un examen. So if you want to talk about having an exam, in Romanian we use the verb to give. So you're saying I give an exam if you're the person writing the exam. So eu dau un examen. Tu dai mâncare. Tu dai mâncare la câine. You give food to the dog, which basically means you feed the dog. El dă o petrecere. He gives a party, which means he throws a party. Ea dă bani cu împrumut. Împrumut is like borrowing or lending, so ea dă bani cu împrumut means she is lending people money. Now, a couple of sentences in the past. Let's say noi am dat un interviu. Noi am dat un interviu. That means like we've had an interview, we've held an interview. Voi ați dat 10 lei pe cafea. You gave 10 lei, which is the Romanian currency, on coffee, which means like you paid 10 lei for coffee. And then dumneavoastră ați dat tot ce ați putut. This is more of an expression, so a da tot ce poți. To give all you can means like you just gave your best. So dumneavoastră ați dat tot ce ați putut is like you gave everything you could, you gave your best. Now let's see what happens. And some of them in the future. Ei vor da mulți bani pe cazare. Ei vor da mulți bani pe cazare is they will give a lot of money for accommodation, or basically they will pay lots of money for accommodation. And ele vor da lapte la bebeluș. They will give milk to the baby. I did not ask you to translate the sentences for the verb to give in Romanian, just because they're a little bit more crazy this time, so I translated them for you. Now, I truly hope you have learned something new today. Next time, we are going to talk about the verb to stay. And if you want to learn more Romanian online, you can either watch the free resources that I have on YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, Facebook, or if you want to have lessons, I invite you to book a free trial lesson on my website. You can find the link in bio or in the description box or all over my social media. If you want to practice your Romanian listening skills, I invite you to listen to the I Learn Romanian podcast. That's available both on YouTube and Spotify. And if you want to practice your grammar skills, this is for students who are a little bit more advanced, so at least an A1 level. You can take a look at the book I have created called the Essential Romanian Grammar Workbook. This is available on my website as well. You can Also purchase the answer key to check the answers on your own, or you can use it with your tutor or a Romanian friend or partner or whoever is Romanian and can take a look at your answers to make sure you've got the correct ones. Until next time, I wish you a really lovely day, and as always, la revedere!